Good fidget spinner.
What are you doing?
I was playing with my fidget spinner. Hey, what are you doing?
This will go down fidget spinner.
It's mine.
Wait a minute. I'll go over here.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just gonna put the fidget spinner over here, alright?
Okay.
Right over here. Alright, let's go get something, alright?
Alright. Oh, hi. I'm gonna go here. Oh, I got the fidget spinner. No seeing.
Back, alright?
Okay. Who'll take my fidget spinner? Come on, spin, spin, spin. Spin. Oops. Oh my God. Okay, perfect. No, this. It's my fidget spinner.
What?
Yeah, look.
Let me check. Oh my gosh, someone did take your fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Dude, look, it's right over here.
Someone broke my fidget spinner.
Let's go get him.
Ugh. Wow. Who can done this?
Probably Toad, because he lives right next to us.
Yeah.
Let's go. Take the fidget spinner.
I'm scared. I gotta run. That was a mistake.
Toad, this is not a mistake. You know, this yellow fidget spinner was my friend's. Toad, we're not gonna kill you.
It's time to die, Toad.
Oh, well, dude, I think I just saw something. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna work. This is gonna hurt Toad. Yeah, I'm gonna spank him with this. Got something! I got it!
It's time to die, Toad.
Hey, dude, I got something!
What? Again.
Hey, dude, I got something.
What?
We could spank Toad with that.
Ooh, I like it.
Yeah. Let's go get Toad. Yeah, let's go. Bring the knife.
Okay. Where's Toad?
Where are you, Toad? There you are! I'm gonna kill you, Toad!
Time to die, Toad.
Toad is heavy, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. What did you get, Toad?
To get my fidget spinner.
Nah, one more thing to do to Toad, Toad.
What are you doing?
You'll see.
Yeah.
Get in there, Toad. Put the lid down. Ah, Toad. Yeah, that's what you get. Flush toilet. Time for another swim, Toad. Yeah, Toad. You ready for another swim?
No, I don't want to.
Don't worry, Toad. Have another swim.
No.
Ready, last words, Toad?
Well, we're going to the oven.
Oh, you're gonna be in there. Go in there, Toad.
No, I'm fat.
Get in there. Oh, he's too fat to get in there. Oh, it's the other way. He's in there. Let's turn him on.
I'm gonna press.
He's dying. Bird. Bird. There, he's gone.
He's dead.
Now, let's sit down.
And relax. No more toad.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys subscribe more. Press the like button. I need to get 100 subscribers. Bye.